Good morning. I just want to talk about ambition and burnout for a second. I have always been pretty ambitious. When I was in fifth grade, I wanted to be in gifted and talented, and they kicked me out after a day. My mom pulled some strings. I was like, I'm very gifted and talented. Y'all need to recognize. And yeah, that started me down a long line of resentment towards authority, but that's another story. But I just always knew I had like something to give. And so, I started a business. I put nose to the grindstone, got super burnt out, became a trauma therapist, got super burnt out in my business doing all that, stayed home with the kiddos, got burnt out overdoing that. Um, and now I'm using like all these manifesting techniques, and I'm praying and I'm meditating, and I've been sober for 17 years. And um, I'm going running this morning for the third time in a row, and I'm really tired, and I'm starting to notice like, just these little areas where I push myself in these old patterns. And don't get me wrong, like I can power through some stuff, but I'm still going to go running because I'm going to be true to my word. Um, but I'm realizing I've got to start setting some boundaries around my work schedule, because now I work for myself. I'm starting this digital marketing business. I'm selling the roadmap. I'm selling some of my other digital products, and I don't have it perfected. And I'm like always trying to get back to it. And I'm feeling like there's so many distractions, especially because I'm retired early. This isn't something I need to do. It's something I want to do, and it's something I deeply believe in. And I deeply believe in helping other people achieve their dreams and goals and doing it without burning out. And I just feel like this is like the frontier. This is it right here. I actually was watching a roadmap video by one of the founders, Zach, yesterday, and it just really helped me to feel grounded. Like, I really believe in the product. I think it's a beautiful, well thought out, well done, well executed, huge community of people who are all about it. And yes, it seems like a pyramid marketing scheme or whatever. It's early. It's like 6:30 in the morning over here. I'm only halfway through my cup of coffee. Um, but I do love the roadmap. If you have questions, please email me. My link in bio is to my email, like getting on my email list, which will take you to like the link in bio page and the option to buy the roadmap. But I'm realizing I'm going to change it to my link in bio page. That way, if you want to get my free sober guide or my intervention guide, or just go to my blog and read stuff that I wrote, because I have a ton of free stuff there on like mental health and trauma therapy and becoming a trauma therapist and how to like work through things. That's fourchains.com, and then I have elteresa.com. So both of those are there. And yeah, you should go and learn more. All right. Love you. Bye.